Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Little bit ill today, but I have promised to keep the videos coming, so you know, I'm a man of my word. So today's topic, I put the video up yesterday. I've had probably 3 or 4 DMs overnight, you know, from people under the age of 18 that have said, is this going to work for me? You know, I'm 17, I want to earn money. So just to give you know, I'm going to give you 5 tips today on how to earn money if you are under the age of 18. Obviously this works if you're over 18, but these are the main things that work if you're under 18. So the first thing is, you know, it's not a lot of money, but it gives you good work ethic and gets you started, is a paper round. You know, I think you earn, off the top of my head, I think it's around about £20 a week, which isn't a lot of money, but it gets you started and gets the work ethic there. Driveway cleaning is a massive one. I used to earn about £150 to £200 per drive that I cleaned. So you need to make sure you're cheaper than big companies. Obviously make sure that you've practiced. So, you know, I used to practice on my mum and dad's drive a lot. So, you know, get there, make sure that you know what you're doing, make sure you get the right stuff, you've got the right sand. You know, there's plenty of YouTube videos on, you know, how to clean drives on the internet. Watch a few videos, teach yourself. But yeah, you can get around about £100 to £200 per driveway. You know, you can do them on a Saturday and a Sunday, so that's a very good way to make money. The third way is eBay. You can't have an eBay shop under the age of 18, but there's nothing stopping you from getting your parents to list products for you. So I used to buy and sell things. So I used to go to car boots. You know, do a bit of research, look on the internet, spend a bit of time. You know, the money varies. I used to make around about £10 to £15 an item, depending on what they are. Normally phones, televisions if they work. Because, you know, people take things to a car boot, they just want rid of it. So, you know, you can get a lot of bargains there. Kids' toys, they go really well on eBay. The fourth way, I think we're on number 4 now, is grass cutting and gardening services. So, on the weekend when you're not at school, if you are still at school, obviously this is if you know, way under the age of 18. If you've left school and you're at college or university and you want some way of making money, if you've got any half days, Saturdays, Sundays, charge people £10 to £15 an hour. You know, elderly people can't, you know, mow their grass, weed their gardens on their own, so that's another very good way to make money. The final way, which is what I used to do a lot of, again, get your parents' eBay account, buy things in job lots off eBay. So, say for example, I don't know, 500 pairs of gloves, you know, because it's winter at the moment, you've probably got until February to sell them. 500 pairs of gloves for, you know, 100 quid or whatever they are, magic gloves, sell them for £1 each. You know, there's no excuse as to not being able to get there. I used to have a moped. I used to fill up an army type rucksack, and I used to make sure, even in the snow, I mean, you know, you've got to make sure you're safe and you can drive your moped in the snow if you are on a moped. But I used to go to a car boot on a moped. I used to bungee strap a pasting table to the back of the rucksack. You know, these are my these are my start off years. And I used to sell gloves, loom bands, I think were a thing then. I used to buy nail polish in bulk and sell them. You know, bankrupt stock on eBay is another massive thing. But yeah, there are 5 tips on how to earn money if you're under the age of 18. If anyone's got any questions, drop them below and I'll try and do a video on it as soon as possible. Have a good weekend.